Welcome to Gabs Kitchen Adventures. Today I'm sharing a recipe for teriyaki salmon. This is a recipe that I'll be doing for Valentines for my husband and myself. And you will need 2 salmon fillets. And again, welcome. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I do share new videos and post them on Saturdays. Today it's teriyaki salmon, and I'll be sharing another video. The other ingredients that we will be using today are 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and I'm using this brand today with low sodium. You will also need 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can use a piece of ginger, and I have it here finely chopped. You will also need 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, a tablespoon of finely chopped or minced garlic, and a tablespoon of mustard as well. So what you're going to need to do is mix all the ingredients. We'll start with mixing the soy sauce into a bowl. Next, I'll be adding the 1 cup of brown sugar, and I'm using the brown sugar here, and I'll be mixing it. You could do it, mix it with a fork or a knife or a spatula. And thank you again for joining me to prepare this super easy recipe. Again, it's the teriyaki salmon. I did just add the white vinegar, which are equivalent of 2 tablespoons. I'm continuing to mix the ingredients here. And next you'll add the ginger. If you have fresh ginger, that'll be great. You could go ahead and add the finely chopped ginger. If you don't have ginger, then you could add this kind of ginger, which I got from the store. And I want to make sure that I get all the ginger out. But the equivalent of a teaspoon of ginger, if you have powdered ginger, would be great. And then you're also going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil to the mix here and to the bowl. And you're also going to continue to add the rest of the ingredients, which are the garlic, 1 tablespoon, and a tablespoon of mustard. Here I have the salmon, which are the 2 salmon fillets that I'm going to go ahead and cook right now and saute, and the other ingredient, which is the teriyaki sauce. As you can see, it's very simple, super easy to do, great to do if you're in a pinch and you have all these ingredients at home. I will be cooking the salmon, and right before I take it out of the pan, I'm going to go ahead and add the teriyaki sauce for flavor. And I will add more teriyaki sauce after I take it out of the pan for extra flavor, and continue to put the teriyaki sauce in a small container for my husband and myself if we want extra flavor. As you can see, I paired it with a small salad and fruit. Feel free to pair it with your side dish that is your favorite, mashed potatoes, macaroni, or any other salad or any other side dish. I do hope you enjoyed today's recipe, and click the subscribe button and the like button. Click the subscribe button if you would like to continue to see more recipes like this one, and comment below and let me know if you would like to see more recipes like this one, or if you would like to see Mexican side dishes or any other type of video. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed your meal. Thanks.